Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change iPhone hotspot name. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up your settings on your iPhone like so. And if we go into personal hotspot, or if you don't have personal hotspot here, tap on mobile data, then go and tap on personal hotspot. As you can see, there's no option to go and change your name here. It just says at the bottom, look for your shared network. So in order to go and change this, what we need to do is go and change the name of our phone. To do that, what you want to do is go back to the main settings page like this, then go and scroll down to general like so, and tap on general. Then what you need to do is go and tap on the about section, which is right at the top just here. Then at the top of the about section, we've got the option of a name, and go and tap here. Now here we can enter the name for our phone, and the name of our phone is what our personal hotspot is called. So if I wanted my personal hotspot to be called this, then I would go and name it like this, just like so. Then you can press done and it's going to go and save it. Then what you can do is go back to your settings. Now if you notice your hotspot name isn't changing, what I recommend doing is going and turning your hotspot on and off. To switch it on, then turn it off like so. And if it's still not working, then what you can do is go and restart your iPhone by either just doing a forced restart or just turning it off completely and then turning it back on. To go and turn your iPhone completely off and shut it down, all you need to do is hold your power button and your volume button at the same time, and then you're going to get this screen here. And what you need to do is just slide the power off, slide that little dot there, and your iPhone will be completely powered off, and turn it on. And you have to wait a few seconds after you're going to power it off for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then just hold the side power button. You will see your Apple logo on your phone will start to restart, and then you can go and turn your hotspot on, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.